How to use Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video we will learn how we can use Instagram if you are a beginner. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you must download the application. If you're on an Android device, you have to open a Play Store and in the search bar search for Instagram and or download the application. Once the download is complete, now you have to open the application. If you already have an account, you can simply log in using your account. If not, you have to create a new account. So to create a new account, you have to tap on create a new account and then follow the instructions and create a new account. If you already have an account, then you can simply log in using your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you will land on your home page. Here, the home tab is where you can see all of the posts from the people you follow. If you navigate at the bottom of your home page, there is a search bar. If you tap on it, then that will take you to your search bar. And in the search bar, you can search for the account's topics or trends in the search bar. Now, if you hit back, if you tap on the reel section, that is the small reel icon, here you can watch reels or creative videos. For that, you have to scroll through that. Now, if you go back and again, if you navigate to your home page, at the top right there, you will see two icons. The first one is the activity or the heart icon, which will show notifications such like likes, comments, and follow under this page. If you want to go to your chat section, tap on the chat icon at the top right. That will land you on your chat section. Here now you can chat with your friends. If you go back again and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, that's gonna take you to your profile page. Here you can manage your profile, post and settings. If you want to head towards settings, tap on the three-line icon from your profile page. That will land on your settings and activity page. Here you can scroll through it and explore all of the settings that will help you set up and manage your profile. Now if you go back, if you want to create a post, then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of this interface. Now from here you can select the photos, videos that you want to upload in your post. If you want to take picture, tap on the camera icon at the top left and here you can capture image or create a reel. If you go back and navigate to your home page, there at the top left is an option to add story. If you tap on it, that will let you add story in your account. Now once you're on your home page, if you want to like this post, you have to double tap on it. And if you want to leave a comment, tap on the comment icon and then here you can leave your comment. If you want to share the post, tap on this share icon and here now you can share this post to different media. So these are some of the basic steps that you must know before you start using Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.